To list products on Depop, start by creating an account and setting up your profile. Download the Depop app and sign up using your email address or social media account. Fill out your profile information, including your name, username, and profile picture. This will help potential buyers find and recognize you. Once your profile is set up, navigate to the Sell tab and click on the List an Item button. Select the category that best fits the product you want to list, such as clothing, accessories, or electronics. Take clear and well-lit photos of your product from multiple angles and add them to your listing. Write a detailed and accurate description of your product, including its condition, size, and any flaws it may have. Be honest and transparent about the product to build trust with potential buyers. Set a competitive price for your product based on similar items on Depop. Add relevant keywords to your listing to make it more discoverable, and choose the correct shipping options for your product. You can choose to ship the product yourself or use Depop's shipping labels. Finally, review your listing for any errors or omissions, and click the List Item button to make it live. Your product will now be visible to Depop's community of buyers, and you can start receiving offers and messages from interested buyers.